Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. A few days ago I was contacted by Tiarnan O'Grady, who told me he was collaborating with my good buddy Fredo. They were putting together a story with two of their main characters, Liar versus Terrasite. Now, if you follow this channel for a while now, you might have seen the video where I already drew Liar, Fredo's creation. So to support this fun project, I thought it was a cool idea for this week's video to also redraw Terrasite. So Tiarnan O'Grady sent me over some reference material and a cool background story, and it looks amazing. So let's not wait any longer and let's meet Terrasite. When the smoke started to rise after the meteor fell on the ground, a new threat emerged from its cracks. A parasite so small it can go through anything. It is not a species, but a vessel created by evolution of past hosts into one monster. A Terrasite. Spikes made from bone, skin as hard as stone. The devil itself doesn't smile upon this beast, as if it was not from hell, but somewhere else. Liar is about to meet his most fearsome opponent, Terrasite. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out the pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Rough sketch is done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of Terrasite, and I'm really looking forward to the Slayer vs Terrasite story that's coming out. If you want to hear more about that, follow these guys on Instagram. And if you liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!